Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download high-quality images from Pinterest step by step. You can save images from Pinterest to your computer in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Pinterest website and sign in to your account. Then, search for the image you want to download. Click on the image to open it. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the pin. Then, select Download Image. Choose the folder where you want to save the image if prompted. Then, click Save. The image will now be downloaded to your computer. To get the best quality, choose an image that is already high resolution on Pinterest. If the Download Image option isn't available, the creator may have disabled downloads. In that case, you'll need to visit the original source website linked in the pin to access the image. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded high-quality images from Pinterest. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pinterest tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.